Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to how to verify game files and scan for corrupted files on Nintendo Switch 2. If your Nintendo Switch 2 has a game that you think may be corrupted, you can simply go to Settings, then go to Data Management. Now go to Manage Software, select the game you have problems with, and now click on Scan for corrupted data. And it may take a few minutes depending on the game size, and you can see that in my case no corrupted data found. But if there is any still, even if there's no corrupted data found, you can click on re-download and that'll delete the game files, but not delete your game progress and save files, and just re-download the software itself to fix the problems. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.